Hi everyone, I've got these little gold colored beads, some bead caps. My fingernails look horrible, but you ought to have seen that one the other day. I had ground it down all the way to where it's almost bleeding. We were cabbing, and I was cabbing with my hands, and yeah, I got a little bit too close to the grinding wheel. So this is a piece of Cobra Jasper that we did. Well, my husband did it. I finished it. He just don't hold up like he used to. Yeah, since he's been sick, he just don't hold up like he used to. So I finished it. I just had to do the polish on it. We're going to put a bead cap on each side of that big one. I'd say that's about 10 millimeter. So these are either, I'd say 6. They look like 6 millimeters. And we'll put one of these little gold ones, a gold spacer. And these are about a 4 millimeter, if I can get it. Yeah, I have a rough time with my nails anyway because I sew, and then I've had them in water for hours down there, so that made them really bad. And it don't, oops, I dropped it. I don't really remember what I was talking about whenever I dropped it, but yeah. Alright, we got that much on there. Put the little gold one on there. And a little spacer. I was talking about my fingernails, wasn't I? Yeah, it don't matter. They've always been weak. So, I don't know, I'm missing some kind of nutrient, I think. About right there, about a 1/2 inch. And then we'll roll it back. See how easy this plate comes off? It's not a very thick plate. Just from rolling it back. I guess it depends on where you get it from. So just roll it over like that. It don't have to be a perfect circle. If you want it perfect, turn it up a little bit. But with this wire, I wouldn't play with it too much, or you're gonna chip all the gold off of it. If you have cheap wire. I don't know. I didn't think those were cheap wires, but evidently. Or maybe the plating's just thin on them. And you'll take it and open it up. We've been trying to cut some agates down there. on the cabin machine, and it's only a 6-inch cabin machine, so he's having a rough time of it. The little Alamillos ones, the little Alamillo ones, they cut good on it, but they're small. They're like, and they are pretty. Whenever you get a good one, they are beautiful. And the big ones, it took me forever to do that one. Okay. There's our pair of earrings. Let's see if I can reach this. There's an agate. I bought it and it already had these breaks on it. But, yeah. It took me a couple hours on that thing to get that polished. And since it's only 2.5 inches wide on the thing, I had to really work on it. And I had to dome it, so it's more like a cabochon than flat. But I like it. This is a Mozambique agate. It's just a smooth. It turned out pretty for what was left of it. I wish this wasn't. Wish that was there, and I wish that was there. But it is what it is. Yeah, that's how they got it. I guess they chip it to make sure it's an agate, and they chipped it in the wrong spot. I don't know. Oh, it's got tubes in it. Y'all, thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all take care out there, and go to my other channels and check them out. I moved the art to another channel. It'll be in the description below, and I didn't move. We started a new channel for the rocks, and I hope to have a lot of different stuff on it, dealing with like cabs and, you know, like different cabs or lamp work or faceting. I had that one that I found that I faceted the top, and I didn't finish because the table wasn't flat, so I've got to finish it. But it's been down there 15 years, so. But y'all, thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all take care out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.